It's a nice little quick video. Getting started with building AI agents with CrewAI. I just want to look it down, give a breakdown of everything, learn how to set up your first AI with CrewAI. This tutorial will give you through important and necessary. So basically, he's gonna help you get your AI agents going. So, misconception with AI agents, they are AI agents, but they're more automation tools. So, like your AI agent isn't gonna be always integrated with GPT. You know what I mean? It's just gonna be something that could do a task repetitively over and over and over again. The logic behind it is what makes it more of an AI agent than the name. You know what I mean? So you could get bots, agents. Name is changed over a lot throughout the course of time. I know RPA. There's different forms of automation. That's what it's called. Having an agent. You could have an automation for robots, robotics, automation. It's just a whole bunch of different things you can or can't do when it comes to like tasks or assignments you want to give to your AI agent. Because in the event you do run an agent or run a bot or run some sort of autonomous function, you have to make sure it's in alignment with what you have going on for the business, or it'll be hard to scale. Easy to reward because it's not hard to scale once you have everything is in play. But you don't want to have an AI agent and you don't know how to scale it because that overall that isn't a good business model to have. You'll be spending more on the technology itself than on the actual functionality that is being used for to help the business grow and scale. So like making an agent is important, but knowing what you're using the agent for might be just as important, if not more, because the agent needs directions and a system to follow. Let's hop right into this video of tech mastery. He's getting started with AI agents. I just wanted to give a brief overview of things prior to hopping into the video. And this is CrewAI. You could get it started. Looks like a video of 1 minute and 35 seconds. Let's see what he has to offer.
Since agentic AI is all the craze right now, I'll be starting a series on how to use CrewAI to build your own AI agents. And this is open source, it's completely free. You can really customize them, and it's easy to use. It's an awesome thing. So first, you're going to import the necessary libraries. So agent, task, and crew client from the CrewAI package. So then we're going to initialize the CrewAI client using your API key. And you can find this in your CrewAI account dashboard. And so you'll need to go to their website and create your account. And then you'll have an API key there. And so now we're going to start by
So he's not showing us exactly where. So we're gonna do it live, I guess. CrewAI dashboard agent. Right. I just want to show you guys the dashboard at least, because it doesn't make sense to review something if you guys can't see it happening. Oh, that makes more sense. That's why there's no thing. So this is a trial. So this is obviously something hidden behind a paywall, right? Like I was saying before, most of these are going to say agents, multi-agents, bots, regardless of the fashion or thing. It's a workflow across industries with powerful AI agents, build and deploy automated workflows. Remember this, automated workflows using any AI LLM cloud platform. So you automate your workflow and then you call on an LLM or a cloud platform to host the workflows. Maybe you want to add some AI just to streamline some of the tasks that you want done. Example I always give, if you have a medical field or you're in the medical industry, and let's say you have HR and you just don't want the HR to have too much repetitive, tedious task after a patient signs in. So you could have a digital form online, have them fill out the form online. With that form, all the information that's not sensitive, you just kind of have it go through that portal, like that submit form portal, and everything that's like sensitive information, you kind of want to have like a human in place, or you could have an AI in place just to streamline that process so you can make it quicker, it's not daunting, And yeah, you're not doing anything extra in between those steps, or you're not losing anything extra. That's really what the agent is going to be good for in that specific business model. What you use it for might not be for that one.
Defining our agent by subclass thing we agent class. So in our example, we've created a hello world agent that processes tasks by taking a task description and returning a friendly greeting. And so here, the core logic is in the handle task method, which outputs a message based on the task description. And so after defining the agent, register it with the Crew AI platform using the register method. This makes the agent ready to handle incoming tasks. Finally, you can
So I'm pretty sure he has not told us why he didn't include it. He just has his
test your
code
agent by
there.
creating a simple task with the description world and passing it to the agent. The output hello world will be displayed in your terminal. And so really that's it. You've created a very basic but fully functional agent. So in the
No, you create a code. Now the agent doesn't go around saying hello world. Like I don't know how else to say it without having you have to have a streamlined process for an agent to come in and work. It's like having a worker without the job. Well, it's like having a person yeah, it's like having a worker, but you don't have a place for the person to work. You know what I mean? Like, what is a hello world? That is it. Basically a test code to make sure that your code is working. How do you test the code, or how do you test that agent's work with a test code? You don't. You feel me? That is like he just streamlined something that didn't need to be streamlined, which is like a hello world. Now, if we're talking about agents, an assignment I want you guys to do, take any task, right? Let's say it's any task you want. I'm not gonna make it too hard. Let's say it is as simple as going on Facebook and logging, right? We're not gonna make it too hard. You could get a Zapier or any web task to get you to get this automation going, right? Now, what you will do is have your browser be the trigger point, right? Because you need a trigger point. So once the browser is triggered, have it go to Google Chrome or whatever website you want, sign in. And once it's signed in, you want to have uh at least it's up to you. I'm not, you don't have to, you guys don't have to streamline it. Just make sure you sign in, and from there, that's your automation, right? That one, two. We're not going to complicate it, adding more steps. Just have, when you click on it, have it go to the link you want and sign in, right? You don't, the step we're streamlining is type in Google, Facebook, or whichever social media platform you'd like to sign into. That's automation. That agent is strictly automating your path to the internet and is streamlining the best route. You know what I mean? And regardless of how you feel about the definition, I just don't- I just don't feel like Tech Master you did the best job at simply explaining what it was used for. Granted, I didn't need to make an 8-minute video talking about it, but when it comes to like learning and obviously learning from mistakes, he made a 1 minute 35-second video on just a screenshot of his code. Don't nobody know that code. What was it? The Crew AI was a paid platform or paywall, or agent platform hidden behind a paywall. Right? No one knew that. You would legit have to. He didn't have a link in the bio. Like this is like one of those things that put you in tutorial hell, right? And people like me are just aiming not to get you through there. So if you want an assignment that you want to do, yeah, just do that. Streamline with it, how long it would take for you to get on the internet and log into your favorite social media platform. If you know how to streamline that, then you get the logic part. Whatever else you want to streamline after would take logic or process from the operation that you're trying to work on, and like that's a whole different ball game that you probably want to sit down and strategically plan or wireframe, however you want to go about it. But thank you to Tech Mastery for this video. Everything is a lesson. If you didn't learn, go ahead and turn it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, man.